Okay, let's open Excel Expert Working. And okay, let's maximize that and select the Sales tab, and now click in the Salesperson column anywhere you like and click the Sort Ascending button. Okay, now let's find the Sort Descending button and click on that one. Now click in H10 and type Hardware. And then in H11 we want to type Software, and in H12 we want to type Books. And now select those three cells, H10 to H12, and let's go to the Tools menu and Options and Custom List and Import. Now this was selected, so we can say OK, and now hit the delete key, and let's select any cell in the data area and go to the data menu and sort, and from the sort by drop list let's select category, and we want ascending selected, and now click the options button, not the then by button, the options button, there we go. And from the first key sort order arrow let's select hardware, software and books, and OK and OK. And now let's go to the data menu and subtotals, and we can't at the moment because it's shared, so we need to unshare that. OK, yes. And now let's go back to the data menu, and now we can select subtotals, and let's select category from that drop list, and we want it in totals. We don't need it in that column, deselect that one and OK. Now click the 2 button below the name box there, and now click the 3. Okay, now let's go back to the data menu and subtotals, and at each change in list select salesperson and clear the replace current subtotals checkbox and OK. And when that's done, it's almost there, let's click the 3 again and the 4. And now let's go to the data menu, subtotals, remove all. And now we can go to the Tools menu, Options, Custom List tab, select our list of hardware, software, books, and click the delete key. And OK. And OK, and we can close the spreadsheet, and we don't need to save that one.